Hello guys, how you all doing? Trust you're doing great. Welcome to my channel. Come along as I show you how I preseason and parboil my chicken wings. So you can basically use this for your stew, or you can use this for your fried rice or what have you. This is very phenomenal. You're going to love it. To begin, I'll be using chicken wings. So I'm adding some salt. Next, I'll be adding thyme. I'll also be adding sliced onions. Then I'll add garlic. I'll add chicken cubes. After adding my chicken cubes, I'll add my rosemary leaves. Next, I'll add ginger, powdered ginger, and turmeric. Then curry powder and my soy sauce. Just a dash of soy sauce. I'll also be adding my chili powder, and that's it. So I'm already marinating all ingredients with my chicken, and I've set it on low heat, allowing the chicken to bring out its own juices. And I'm adding a cup of water. I wouldn't allow this to cook for more than 15 minutes because I'm using a broiler. So this is basically how I pre-season and parboil my chicken. I use it for my stew, my rice, and what have you. This is just the best way to season your chicken. Give this a try. Let me know in the comment section if you are gonna try this or if you have tried it. This is my favorite way to season my chicken. You can also do this if you want to fry your chicken or you want to roast or grill. This is going to be your go-to way for seasoning. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe. Until my next one. Bye y'all.